What is up, everyone? It is another beautiful day right here in Nashville, Tennessee. It's been, I don't know, probably a couple weeks since I've seen you guys on here, so hello. I hope you all are being safe. What's new? What's new with you guys? What have you been doing creatively in your life with your families? Let me know in the comment section below. And before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified when I post new videos like this one. Today, it is about 9 a.m. and just got a phone call that the turf is finally going to be delivered today. I've been waiting on this for weeks. It got pushed back another week. It was supposed to be delivered last Friday, and then yeah, so it's finally going to be in today. I'm going to go try and get into this workout, and hopefully by the time that I'm done, the turf will be here. So yeah, let's hop right into it. Well, yeah, it's a pretty nice day out. Not super duper hot. Probably gonna do some form of squatting or cleaning today. Also, if you missed the last episode, I put a door on this thing, and it looks quite nice. I must say myself, it looks quite nice. It's functional, and just ready to kick some turf in here. Gonna be fantastic. Super efficient right here, right now. Just because I haven't gotten a magnet, I need to put a magnet right there and then on the inside and do the thing with the stuff. Also, threw some handles on here. Great. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Pretty exciting stuff. As you can see, all of this right here is concrete. This will be swept and cleaned today. And then it will be a beautiful, beautiful Caribbean blue turf. I think we're leaning towards calling this place the Shark Tank. Little fun fact, I have a shark tattoo on my hand, and the great white shark is my most dominant spirit animal. So, Caribbean blue turf, and then we're gonna get some signage on this wall and probably on the back side of the door, and just look to build this place out as much as we can. So, let's get into this workout. All right, cool. Yeah. Give me a sec. I'll run out there. All right, bye. The turf is officially here. Let's go. Whoo! Alrighty, so I met the gentleman out by the truck. Figured I would just make it easy on him. It's like a 120-pound, 12-foot roll of turf. So I had to get this in here. There she is. So I am like, I don't even want to work out anymore. I just want to like get this turf laid down, and that way it can settle real nicely, and I can like take a look, assess the situation, so on and so forth. But yeah, turf's here, so I'm just gonna zip through finishing this workout, and I'm gonna film it, and then we're gonna get to this turf very soon. It's pretty solid workout, burned like 700 and something calories. Finished up with some front squats, lunges, single leg RDLs with the kettlebell, and some rowing. So exhausted, but it's time to install some turf. But before we get started into that, it's time for a smoothie at my favorite place, Juice Bar. Wait a second, something's not right here. That's more like it, I think, or something. It's still weird to me that we have to do this kind of stuff, but better safe than sorry. I mean, you know, it's a great day.
You know, it's a great day when you walk in a juice bar, or anywhere for that matter, and they just say, the usual? Yes, ma'am, the usual. I need all the 49 grams of protein that are in this smoothie. So, also, Mango's been just a little dirty little whore. She needs a bath, so probably gonna run through the car wash real quick, and then we get to the turf. So many things. Does anyone else just feel like a child all forever? Like ever since you were a child? Does anyone else just feel like a child when you go through car washes? It's just like magical. You're being teleported into another time period, and then you come out clean on the other side. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Let me know in the comments. Do you love car washes? I do. Alrighty, smoothie's gone, back at the house. I'm gonna tackle this beast, and essentially what's gonna happen is just gonna unroll it, turn it the other way, unroll it to get the cardboard out from it, and then slowly cut around the bottom of this here, that square, and it's 12 feet wide by 20 feet long. So I'm gonna have about 6 inches or so on this side, which is good because that means I can lay these stall mats over top of it to kind of hold it in place a little bit more. So gonna set this up over here in the corner, and I'm gonna sweep this whole thing, and then we're gonna get into it. All right, we get a first glance at what the turf actually looks like. There it is. Caribbean blue turf, baby, let's go. Oh, what? So sick. Staples all removed, tape is removed, everything is off of the turf essentially that would hinder me from laying it down. So now what's gonna happen is that side over there in the corner is kind of shitty. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rotate this entire thing to where that corner gets pushed up and under this corner right here. I'm gonna have about 8 or 9 inches or so on the inside of this to play with, which is nice. And then, you know, if I feel like I need to trim any of it away, I will. So, yeah, let's get to laying this beast out. Alrighty, so the issue at hand right now, I didn't measure to see if this thing is exactly 20 feet long. I'm pretty sure they probably give you a little bit extra just in case. So I need to probably undo it from here and then unroll it where like half of it is like where it's kind of like folded like this over this part where the weights are to make sure it's like long enough, because then what I need to do is I need to cut around this post right here. So here we go. They gave me like 4 feet, which is good because now I can extend things further back that way, but yeah, they gave me like 4 feet, so that's why we measure these things. Alrighty, I think I got it pretty lined up. I'm trying to cut it in half right here, split it, and then cut the edges to where it just lays nicely on it. So that's probably going to be the best way to go about this right now. Here we go. pretty much made all the cuts that I need to make over there. I'm gonna make one slight cut over there by the door, just because it's a little bit off, because this place is, as you've seen in the other episodes, I'll link them up here. This place is very uneven and it's like warped and all sorts of shit. So this wall right here, this white one, actually goes out a little bit. So that means that it's making the turf a little bit crooked. So it doesn't fit super flush over there on that far end. So I'm just gonna do that and then put the mats on top on right here on this side. Hell yeah, then it's game on. Well, there we have it. We have the beautiful Caribbean blue turf in here. Yeah, so pretty stoked on this. It's gonna add a different dynamic when I'm filming training sessions or taking clients. Be sure to check me out over on my personal Instagram, which is where I do more of like my fitness lifestyle stuff. And also, huge shout out to my girl Madeline Green of MG Performance. She pitched in with this to help pay for it essentially, because she takes clients here as well. So thank you so much, Madeline. You're incredible in more ways than one. So yeah, here's the blue turf. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell so you're notified when I post new videos. Thumbs up if you loved it. Thumbs down if you didn't. Probably not going to pay much attention to this. My name is JT Wise Guy. It is another beautiful day right here in Nashville, Tennessee. Stay creative, and I will see you in the next one. With this.